Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the great news from the collaboration of GLMR, the Moonbeam, and the Pioneer Finance. So now the GLMR and the MOVR is alive on Pioneer and the Heiko money market. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send the token, the GLMR or MOVR, to the Pioneer and how you can use them. And so here is the news posted today. So basically the GLMR and the MOVR, they are MOVR, they are the native tokens for Moonbeam and the MOVR. So you can use that. They have a lot of utilities. Now one more utility they have is you can send it to Pioneer Finance money market. And if I remember correctly, this is the first asset actually from other projects. They send it to Pioneer Finance, which is great. To get the token, so in order to show you how to do that, today I bought a little bit GLMR and I can show you. So GLMR is the token for the Moonbeam and it's EVM compatible, so you can find it on the MetaMask. So you can check the MetaMask. I do get around 30 GLMR today. So now I'm going to show you how you can send it over to Pioneer Parachain. So in order to do that, you need to go to Moonbeam, their bridge. So if you go to Moonbeam, now you will see that there's a Moonbeam GLMR, right? And they can recognize this one because I already connect to my MetaMask. For those of you who connect the first time, let me just disconnect and show you what you will see. So if you are the first time you use Moonbeam, you can see different wallet you can connect. So since I'm using MetaMask, so I connect to that, you can now see the token. So this is the token, the same as what I can show you here on the MetaMask. And so in order to send it over to Pioneer Finance, you need to click the withdraw. Withdraw, and now you need to connect to your JS wallet. And then when you connect to your JS wallet, you can choose the chain where you want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw that to Pioneer, so you need to select that. So once you select, now you need to choose the wallet you want to withdraw the GLMR token to this address, right? So I select this wallet, and then I'm going to withdraw all of them. So I will just get all of them. Okay, it says some fees. Okay, let me just keep a little bit for the fee. So I will just put 30 here. It should be good enough. Now I will just send. Okay, don't withdraw that to exchange controlled address. So make sure this address you have fully control. So now I will just send. Now they are going to ask you, right, for the fee. So as I said, like, don't use all of them, so keep some for the fee. So the fee is not very much actually. It's 0.000 something. And so it will just start, right? And then you need to wait for the confirmation. So now the only thing you need to do is just wait. If you notice here, like, the GLMR has been updated already. And so now it says withdraw transaction confirmed. And so it will be arrived shortly to Pioneer. So now I will go to the Pioneer Finance, and then I connect to my wallet, right? And it says it will be there shortly. So we can see that now. It is there actually. So it's GLMR, it is there. You can go to the Pioneer Finance overview, and then you will see the asset. So what to do with those assets? You can go to their money market. So now I will go to the money market, and then you can see the supply APY. So the supply APY is 11%. So I'm going to just NAND that to earn some percent of APY. So now it's 11.8%. So I will just NAND, okay? So it will ask you to sign. So now I can just sign that. All right, so now I successfully named my GLMR token on Pioneer Finance Money Market. So that's it. That's all you need to do, and now it's showing up here. So if you want to use that as connect role, you can connect that, but now it's okay. I will just leave it here and earn some actual rewards. So that's all for today's video. Basically, just show you the GLMR, and it's the same for the Moon River. I didn't demo in this video, but it's actually the same. Same thing you need to do. Just connect to the Moonbeam. This time, go to the Moon River. Go to the Moon River, and they will ask you to switch the network to the Moon River, and then like since I don't have any Moon River here, so if you do, just do the withdrawal and the same process. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video, if you don't want to miss any future videos. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I will reply to each of your comments. If you have any questions, you can also join the Discord. Bye.